Hey y'all, I just got in from running around. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm getting ready to go in there and try to make those viral hot flaming Cheeto balls. I'm gonna make that today because I think we're gonna be stuck in tomorrow here in Texas because we're supposed to get snow. So I just came in and I said I got to get back to doing my videos. So y'all, I'm sorry I've been gone, but that is going to be over with and done for 2025. Happy New Year's, everybody. So I'm gonna go change my clothes and I'm gonna pull out my food and get ready to cook. So y'all meet me over there in the kitchen. Okay, y'all. So I don't went and changed my clothes. Don't put on my what I consider my little moo so that I can get comfortable and start cooking these flaming balls. So I'm gonna be using some basil, my bell peppers, my lemon, and my lime. Um, I got two different cheeses here, some cilantro, because I'm making two different cheese balls. So I'm making a hot flaming one. So I'm going to be using these, and I'm also going to be using the flaming hot. But I'm also going to make the taco um, balls too. So I got these taco chips. And if y'all sleeping on HEB chips, they are the bomb. When I tell you, like they nacho chips, I got some, but I don't know where they is. Is that them? Yeah. So here is they nacho chips. When I tell you these are way better than Doritos, I mean every chip got cheese on it. And I know it's plenty of y'all be like, they need to put some more cheese on these Dorito ones. Go to HEB if you got HEB and get the nacho cheese HEB chips. Do not sleep on HEB chips. But anyway, so I'm making the taco balls also, and I'll be using the taco rice. And I'm not sure which. I'm not using the boudin sausage because I'm not sure if I want to. I don't like the boudin sausage. That's just all there is to it. So I'm gonna be using the Jimmy Dean hot and the original one on it, and the sauce I'm going to be making for the taco one. I'll be using this here and mixing it with some sour cream and some cilantro. And the other one, I didn't take that cheese out. So it's just the regular canned Frito Lay jalapeno cheese that is delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So y'all come on in and let's see how these balls, these viral cheese balls, are gonna turn out. Here we're using the taco rice. I'm gonna add it to this water here. And you usually supposed to add the water, the butter, and the taco rice mix together, but it's okay. The water just started boiling before I got a chance to go ahead and add it in there. So I'm adding some jalapeno peppers, the green bell pepper, and the yellow bell pepper. And I'm also adding some onion to the water because I want my cheese balls to have a taste. I don't want it to just be cheesy and not have flavor to it. So that's why I added a little, not too much, but just enough vegetables to the water so it can all simmer and come together. So now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my sausage. The first one that I'm going to add is going to be the hot. sausage, and I'm using pretty much all of the hot sausage. I don't want it to be too meaty, if that make sense. Like I don't want it to overpower the other ingredients that I'm also adding to the cheese balls. So I'm gonna add half of the original Jimmy Dean sausage and just kind of break that up and give it a stir so that I can add that with the rice when it's time to add that on. Okay, so I have my meat in here, right there. And so now I'm just gonna add that rice to it. And I'm gonna season, excuse me, I'm gonna season that up a little bit. Oh, so slap your mama. And I'm gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna add some Italian cheese. And I'm also gonna add some Fiesta blend cheese to it. Is this? Yeah, Fiesta blend. And I'm also going to add some breadcrumbs to it. And the one that I'm using is the some Ritz crackers. And I'm gonna dip all of that in there. I'm gonna give it a stir. Okay, so here's my egg wash, and I'm just gonna add a little slap your mama to it. Give that a beat and set that aside. And I have my flour, but I didn't season my flour because the flaming hot, that's enough, gotta watch the diet there. So I have that here. And because I'm making two different kind, I'm also making the taco kind. This is the chips that I told y'all about from HEB, the taco chips from HEB. So while that heat is heating up, let me show you the balls. Here go the cheese balls. They came out great. Okay, while that grease is getting hot, I also decided to make the sauce for the taco balls. So you're just gonna take some sour cream and put it in a bowl. And I'm not gonna make that much of it because I don't have that many balls, so I don't need that much of the sauce. So you just take some sour cream, and here's our bowl. And we're gonna add this to the sour cream. We're gonna add some lemon pepper, some cumin, and we're going to squeeze a lime in there. and give that a stir. And I usually put cilantro in here, but I didn't have none, and so I wasn't going to the store either. So it's all good. So you just give that a stir, give it a taste to see if it's enough cumin or lemon pepper in there. I'll take a little bit more of the lemon pepper, and I'm also going to add a little heat to that with the crushed pepper. Give it a stir, set that over in the fridge while I cook the balls, and we'll be ready to go. I'm starting off with the taco balls first. So you're gonna dip it in your egg, flour, over to your taco, and then you're gonna set it aside. Once again, your wash, and let that drain off of there. Flour, and now down into the flaming hot. We're going to start off frying the taco balls first. And then we'll fry up the hot flaming balls. Okay, y'all, we're all done with the cheese balls. They came out great. See, they came out great. This is the taco ones, and this is the flaming hot ones. And so we have cheese here, the jalapeno cheese, and we have that sauce that we made, that salsa verde, whatever sauce that we made. So thank y'all for joining me. And until the next video, I hope you guys subscribe also. And stay tuned for the next video. Let's give it a try. Let's see how it turned out. Turned out great. A little spicy.